The Cucina is serving authentic Filipino cuisine which was inspired by Philippine street food and home cooking. We went in their Fulham, London branch, which is a 7-minute walk from Fulham District Line train station. This is sisig with egg. Sisig in Filipino cuisine is a dish of chopped pork with onions and chili peppers seasoned with lemon and topped with an egg on a sizzling plate. This is kare-kare, a peanut-based stew thickened with ground rice with tender beef vegetables such as aubergine, long beans, and pak choy. Also served with a shrimp of paste or bagoong. Delicious. You can taste the pork, the egg, but need soy sauce. Sisig. Let's taste kare-kare. The sauce is nice. It has a thick texture, nutty flavor. It tastes like a mellower version of a Thai peanut satay. Toyo. May nice masarap sa kanin. Kare-kare naman. Bagoong. Lambot ng beef. Sarap. Nag-sauce.
Ganyan din yung kare-kare niya, di ba? Pero ano lang, yung beef niya lang, yung parang square. Parang
So, this sizzling dapat para mas malutong. Pero, okay lang. Let's taste again kare-kare. The green bean seems half-cooked, which is nice. Goes well with shrimp paste or bagoong and rice. Delicious. Let's drink gulaman. Gulaman is a refreshing drink that has dark brown sugar syrup, translucent tapioca pearls or sago, and chewy seaweed-based jelly or gulaman. This is better with ice. May rating for the Cucina. Food, I love the sisig. Generous serving of pork. You can tell them if you like toasted or as is. The ambience, it's a large capacity restaurant and has relaxing atmosphere. The price is reasonable since their food serving is for more than one people like the sisig. My overall rating is 8.5 out of 10 for the Cucina Fulham. Thanks for watching the vlog and see you in our next vlog. Thank you.